I made a quick stop here in the garage to just kind of do a little check over. End up doing a little bit of stuff. So what I have done, let me just show you guys the update. So if you guys don't know me, I am very particular. If something doesn't sit right with me, I am changing it. It doesn't matter how much work went into it, I'm not going my day without fixing it. Anyway, as you guys remembered, I had this, this is my old intercooler piping. I had the edges there. Don't mind that. I just kind of put something there to stop it from coming off if it does come off. But that is now garbage, and I took my time and I did this side properly. It has a perfect bend. Same thing with this side. I am super happy about. I'm gonna have all of these paint sanded down properly and painted eventually, but as of right now, this is where she sits. The car is just about ready to fire up. I just have to plug in the computer to the ECU and work my magic and go from there. So stay tuned. I don't think I'm gonna get to her today because I have plans for the rest of the evening, but you guys have an idea on what's coming and how excited I am to get this on the road. I need to get some fuel in the tank, and that is about that. Alright, so the next time I come back here, I should be working on getting her running. Once that is done, then I can iron out the other details about wiring up the pump for the meth, making sure that's working. We're just going from there. Anyway, see you in a bit. Guys, so I said I got a little bit of time here to hook up the ECU, hook up the computer to the ECU, just to kind of see where things are. I mean, for the most part, everything looks spot on. There's two issues I'm having. Number one, my dash is not showing anything that's going on like before. So I would be able to pick up on RPMs, which would be along the top, coolant temp, AFR, throttle position, kilometers per hour, intake temps. So all these things put together, it's not working on the dash. And issue number two that I'm having, so I don't know if it's a trigger kit, but Mega Squad doesn't seem to be picking up the upgraded trigger kit because I have a 36-1. So what I might do is put back on the 12 minus none. And I know she will fire up then because she was starting before with that tune, but as of right now she is not working with the trigger kit. I feel like it's a setting thing. Could not. I know my boy Smithier got the kit, the same kit that I have, but I'm not sure if Haltech reads way different than Mega Squad. But as right now, Mega Squad is not responding in the way that I wanted it to. So what I'm gonna do now is something that I didn't want to do. I'm gonna have to put back on my 12 sprocket and run that. I mean, the war won't come to an end, but that needs to be rectified ASAP. Once I can get a car running, I mean, it's all good. But as of right now, Hey, you guys can hear. Listen, get a listen. The pump. I'll turn it around. So I might get a RPM here and there, but it's not constant RPM. Shit, I'm not even getting RPM. Coil unplug, single. I mean, everything checks out here, so I don't know what is. I don't know what the issue is, to be honest. Let's try again. I need to reset the ignition. Have to turn this off, on again. The pump is gonna go 3 times because it's not. It says it's a broken wire. The rate is too high. I don't know what the heck is that. So I may have a broken wire. So I will redo my wiring under the dash, bypass all that stuff, and see if it makes a difference. So wait 20 seconds, which is now. Exit that. Let's try again. Yep, nothing. So I will just have to change up my trigger kit. Shit. Gotta be done. But anyway, I am going to go home. I'm gonna talk with Justin and Derek at Power Tune Canada and see if they can come up with an idea on what I can check before removing it. But if I don't come up with a conclusion tonight, I will probably just get up all the I'll probably come here late tonight and try and change the kit and go from there. But as of right now, yeah, I'm in a very bad, I wouldn't say bad position. I'm just not in the position that I wanted to be in. So I'll keep you guys posted. Peace out. I've decided to go ahead and put back on my trigger kit. So this is the original trigger wheel that came with the EG33. This piece here. This is the modified piece that I built because I didn't have the extender. And this is the extender that I got from Ginger Auto. Thank you, my man. So I am going to test out both of these. What I might do is cut off the back tooth so I don't get any interference whatsoever, and then kind of go from there and install it. Because I'm running this adapter piece here, there's no need for me to run this. So this is stressful, but you can't make power without a little bit of stress, right? No. So I am going to just start. So I have my coolant under there draining inside of my can, tub, whatever else. So what's gonna happen is intercooler has to come off, rad has to come forward, and then the rest is history. This have to go over to the side, alternator comes out, and then I just take off the valve covers, not valve covers, cam cover, timing cover, and from there everything else is straightforward. But the hardest thing to actually take off would be the trigger kit, because it is a complete, it is on tight, so I need to clear it out a bit so I have some clearance to pull it out. But it went on before, and I took it off and then I put it back on again. Now it's come back off. until my boy Justin figure out, because he's doing the same thing on his car, until he figure out what's going on with the trigger kit and why Mega Squad cannot read it as efficiently as it should. I don't know if it's a setting thing or just, I don't know what it is, but as of right now, me now wait on that. So I'm gonna put back on the original, and then I know for a fact she will be running, because she was running before I put the kit on. So I'm just gonna swap it over, get her running, and have her ready for the spring. Anyway, let's go. Alright, so as you guys saw, I just did some welding because I accidentally nicked one of the splines, or whatever you call it. So I had to just kind of sand that on a bit, and she looks good. Alright, she's good. Let's go and put her on. So this was the quickest trigger wheel that I've ever switched in my life. I don't know the fact that all the tools are close to me, but we are done. My battery's dead for my computer, so I won't be able to hook it up, change parameters, change it from a 26 minus 1 to 12. So I will have to do that tomorrow. So she will be running tomorrow. Exciting stuff. So that's gonna do it for today's video. There's a lot more there was a lot more I would have liked to have said, but I just wanted to get this thing done. Anyway, see you tomorrow. Start up. Let's go. Alright, so here she is. I am now going to go in the car and should just walk out and go and get it. This is my wife's Ascent. But my computer computer charger is in here. Let's go and see if we can get this thing fired up. And then we would be in a very good place to put on a trailer and maybe go to the car wash if we have the time. All right, let's connect. All right, guys, so let us connect to this car and see if we can make some changes here. I need my keys. I don't know where the heck my keys are. Oh. On. My throttle position is going freaking nuts right now. So first thing, let me just deal with that. Throttle position, calibrate TPS, get current. Now full open throttle, get current, accept. Now let's make sure that's good. Okay, so throttle position is on point. Okay, now I need to make sure that, honestly, I don't know what the heck is going on. Okay, that's the trigger kit info. All right, that seems good. Let me make sure my fuel. That seems good. Small pulse width, that seems good too. So I'm not sure what happened there, but let us see what is going on here. All right, so your boy have some straps here. Some good old Canadian tire straps. These those ones go around the, not the axle, the control arm. But what I'm doing now is I am installing these little brackets that go on top of the trailer, because the one I don't have any. I just been doing it on the trailer frame. But I am going to go and install these. 1, 2, 3, 3.5. Come here. Stop running from me, boy. 4. So I'm gonna go install these right now. I measured what drill bit I need for drilling out these, and then we're going to install them. So let's go and work on that. Alright, this is gonna do for now. Let's see what she looks like in the sun. So, Assassin is all, well, temporary clean. This is just to get a little bit of the loose dust off of her. Those rims need some work. But as of right now, this is gonna have to do. Oh my god, this is a, look at that booty. Booty for days. But yeah. So she's all set and ready for Winnipeg. So, yeah. See you tomorrow, Justin. Haha.